Hello and welcome back to another nail video. Today I'll be doing my nails using Polygel, so if that's something you like to see, stay tuned. I start by applying a coat of the Model 1's base coat to each nail and then curing for 30 seconds. Then I applied the Polygel to my nail tip. Today I'm using Tamika Polygel in the color pink. I'm using alcohol as my slip solution, and I just pull and pat the Polygel to try and get an even layer of coverage on the nail. I add another layer of the Polygel to this nail to make it a little thicker because the first layer was a little too thin for me. I then repeat these steps on all my nails, so I'll let you watch and enjoy. Don't forget, if you like what you see, be sure to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to join my journey. So this is how my nails look once the polygel has dried. And this is how the nails look after they have been filed, shaped, and buffed. Okay, so now I'll be doing a design on my nails. I'll be making a flower design using my dotting tool. Then I use the Beetles gel top coat on all my nails. I added some crystals off camera, and these are how my nails turned out. I love them, super cute, simple, and easy. As always, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next nail video.